Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all how to make some roast fish and roast barbecue lobster at home. Red snapper already cleaned. What I'm going to do is just season it with some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning all inside of the belly and on both sides. This is just going to add some more flavor to the fish. So guys, here I have two main lobsters, and I'm also going to season the cavity of the lobster with some of that seasoning. I'm going to take my meat mallet and I'm just going to crack the claws. So we're gonna start with our banana leaves on the top of the flat top. This is gonna just help protect the fish from burning. And you're just gonna place your fish. Right, so we put all the fish on one side. There are two burners, one here and one here, so the middle doesn't have any heat. And then we're going to put some lobsters on this side. So we're going to go on with our lobsters. And what I'm going to do is just squeeze some fresh lime juice over the fish and over the lobster. I'm going to add some chili peppers into one of the lobster because I want one really spicy, and just place some chili peppers on the fish. You can put whatever you want when you're making it. I'm gonna add some pimento peppers. I'm gonna take some okra and I'm just gonna open the belly of the fish. Let me show you guys, and I'm gonna just put that in there. We like plenty okra when we make our fish. And I'm also going to put some on the top itself. And we're going to stuff the lobster with some okra also. It smells so good already. You know, we're going to go over with some scallions and fresh bandania chopped. Save some so when you flip the fish over you'll have for the other side. Some into the lobster also. And now we're just gonna salt. And I'm gonna add some olive oil. Just a little bit. Now we're going to go on with some more banana leaves to cover the fish and the lobster. You want to cover it well so that it steams. And now we're going to leave it there, and we're going to leave it for about, I say, 15-20 minutes. They're really big, so you want them to take their time and steam. We're just gonna check on the fish. Just move this over. Okay, the eyes are turning slightly opaque, so I'm gonna just flip the fish over. Just be very gentle when you're doing this because you don't want to break the fish apart. You see how the eyes are turning opaque? And I'm gonna squeeze this side with some lime. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt on this side and then top it with some more of that fresh bandania. Now I'm gonna take some fish seasoning and just sprinkle it over. Right, and I'll cover back with the banana leaves and allow it to continue to steam. So I'm just gonna remove the banana leaves from on top of the lobster, and what I'm going to do is I have here a jerk barbecue sauce. All you have to do is put some jerk barbecue sauce, pre-bought ones, with some green seasoning, some bandania, garlic, and you can put hot peppers if you wanted to, and a little bit of ketchup, and you make a sauce. And then we're just gonna put this on the inside, on the cavity of the lobster, all along the belly here. So we're basically making barbecue lobster. And I'm not gonna be using all, I'll save some and then add again. But remember, you can't keep this if you dip your spoon or your brush into it. You can't keep it because you just cross-contaminated with the fresh lobster and this sauce. So you have to use out all and you have to cook out the sauce. So I'm saving some of the sauce and then we'll add it halfway through before the lobster is finished. So I'm gonna cover this back and allow that lobster to continue to steam. So guys, I just uncovered it and you can see how the eye is really white. Let me zoom in. So that's a trick that Ducky taught us, that when the eye is white like that, the fish is almost done. So this just has a little bit of cooking again, and then we'll remove it from the heat. And put the rest of the barbecue sauce. So guys, this first lobster is done. The other one is still cooking, but it's time to go eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on making fish and lobster. Try it at home. Let me know, comment. I want to hear from you guys. Bye. What do you like, Papa? Really good.